Hey everyone, this is Emily from myclosetracks.com, where we sell pre-authenticated fashion at a fraction of retail price. Today I'm going to do a full collection review for the limited edition fall winter 2020 since 1854 collection. The collection launched about a week ago and most everything is already sold out. So the first day that it was online, I managed to get a couple of pieces. So I wanted to show you what they look like and if it's a style that'll work for you and if it's something worth investing in. Make sure to check out my review of the petite sac plat here. So I did a full separate video where I show you what fits inside and everything. So make sure to check that out if you really like this little guy, which I'm obsessed with. First, let me just tell you the bags that I did manage to get from this collection. I have the Neverfull in the Bordeaux. I have the Mini DeVille in the gray, and then of course the Petite Sac Plat in the Bordeaux again. This collection also has a lot of other great bags. We have the Petite Noé, we have the On the Go, the Pochette Métis, the Noé purse. And the Noé purse was one that I believe sold out first. I think it's so cute and I really wanted to get it, but unfortunately it was out of stock as soon as I was able to go online and look at the collection. And there are a ton of other bags available as well. But the ones that were more in my price range are the ones that I have here that were more moderate, under $3,000. There's also some great ready to wear. My favorite piece are the Metropolis Flat Ranger boots, which come in black, and they are $16.50, but they appear to be sold out, of course. The other piece of ready to wear that I absolutely love is the leather detail jogging shorts. Now, I would never spend over $1,300 on jogging shorts, but oh my gosh, they are so cool and they are exactly my style. The other pieces of the ready to wear collection look a little bit more kind of formal or office ready. Of course, I'm more casual, I work from home, and so it's just not something I would spend my money on. All right, so I want to do a little review of the materials that are used, which color I like, and how the bags will wear in the future. The first thing I noticed when I got them is that the leather on the trim and the handles, they are not the vachetta leather, so it is a treated leather, so it's cowhide and it is kind of like a darker brown, and I think that is actually a great choice. I know people love their vachetta, but I really do think it is a pain in the butt to keep it looking really nice and without, staining it or rubbing it, whatever. So the fact that they have treated darker leather on this, I'm really happy with that, and I don't think it's gonna wear easily. And of course, if it gets wet or something like that, it's not gonna stain it right away. So I really am happy about that, especially if you get the gray or the black leather. That's obviously going to wear very well. The one thing I'm a little concerned about is the fabric on these bags. I don't know, it is a jacquard textile, and I don't know if it's going to kind of rub or pill or stain. So if you do spill something on it, of course, it's gonna stain. And coated canvas, which, most Louis Vuitton bags are made of, the traditional monogram, that's gonna slide right off with these. It's got some white bits in it, so it definitely will show if you do spill on these bags. So keep that in mind. The interior of these bags is a microfiber, and they are dark. So this is like a dark Bordeaux, so it matches the exterior. Microfiber, and then in this little DeVille bag, it's got the black microfiber, and I think that's gonna wear very well just because it is a dark color for one, and second, it is microfiber and not canvas. So hopefully it will wipe clean a little better. So I think the wear on these overall is going to be fairly low over time, but only time will tell. So some of these bags come in the gray color scheme, and some of them come in the Bordeaux, some of them come in both. It just really depends. The Neverfull will come in both. The Petite Sac Plat only comes in the Bordeaux. The DeVille comes in both colors. So let's talk about the price. There was a wide range of prices with this collection, but the lower end was around $1,500, $1,600. This little petite sac plat was $15.20 plus tax. The DeVille Mini is $2,190 plus tax. The Neverfull is $2,170 plus tax. And of course that comes with the pouch. My favorite bag out of this collection, I would have to say, is the petite sac plat or the DeVille. Just because you can get the Neverfull in basically any limited edition collection, they usually have it. But I was really excited because I've always tried to get this little guy in monogram. It's just impossible. So as soon as I saw it in this print, I had to get it. And so at least I can have the bag style, even though it's not monogram. I still love it, and I think it's really cute. Apparently, this since 1854 pattern was designed after like vintage wallpaper. So if you like wallpaper, you will probably like this collection. So here's the DeVille. I'll show you up close. It has the cutest little leather tag right here. It has a front pocket, which is really great. And then of course it has a very spacious interior with a pocket. So I really do think this is a great everyday bag. The hardware is also gold throughout the entire collection. I did not notice any silver hardware, but I think the gold works super well with the color scheme and the vintage feel they're going for. The best value bag, I would have to say, would be the Neverfull, and it usually is the best value in limited edition collections, and that is mostly because it comes with the wristlet inside. But the Neverfull definitely seems to have a really good value for the size of the bag. Oh God, there's a hair on that. And then here's the little pochette. It actually is like, it's thicker than the coated canvas version. So you can actually fit a lot more stuff in here, I think. And again, it's got that Bordeaux interior, microfiber with the pocket. So it's almost like having little two bags in one, which I really like. Or if you just want the tote, you can sell this separately. So I just really think that if you do just want a piece from this collection that'll hold its value, I would go with the Neverfull. And it only comes in the MM size as usual. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you real quick what these three styles look like on me. Thank you guys so much for watching my review of the Since 1854 collection. If you guys got any pieces from it, or if you're thinking about getting it, I want to know what you think of the styles that they have, and if you think it's worth investing in. Please comment below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We're going to have a lot more videos coming up with bag reviews, authentications, and things like that. Thanks again.